Come test drive the 2018 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, auto headlight on/off, power tailgate, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, backup camera, leather upholstery. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.